So once more we'll see the git based SQLi on lesson 5. So I'll open a lesson 5 now. Lesson 5, they are saying please input the parameters. I will give question mark id equal to 1. See, if I'll give a backslash there, so they are giving me error that they are using single quote or they are using double quote. So they are using what? After backslash they are using single quote. So I'll balance this by single quote minus minus plus. If you will get the same page, that means it's fixed now. You are in, it's fixed. Now I'll try order by there. So I'll give order by, let's give 4. So 4 columns are not there. So I'll try less value than 4. I'll try 3. So 3 are there. Now I'll try union all select 1 comma 2 comma 3. For union I have to make this value, the first value minus negligible, but it's not giving me anything. Why? See, in this case what happened when double query worked. We see now when order by work but union not work, there may be double query SQLi or there may be error based SQLi, because you are getting error. See, you situations, basically this is a situation, okay? You are getting error but you are not getting output of union SQLi statement. Yes, in that case there may be error based SQLi or maybe double query based SQLi. See, fixing is necessary, okay? So on lesson 5 we have fixed, okay? Let's go to browser. So on lesson 5 we have fixed by this. We have fixed by single quote and minus minus plus. So if I have to attack anything, I have to attack there only, okay? After single quote and before minus minus plus. So this will be your playground now. So you can try over there. See, the error based query SQLi query. For this you can use what? Hack bar. There is a error dash double query. You can use anything, either error. So basically error or double query you can use same thing, okay? Double query, after that you what you want, database, so you can use get database, whatever, like this, okay? So likewise I have to attack there. So see, I'll select error double query. If you are trying error database, let's turn for get version. See this, so you are getting a version. See this, you can also try here what, double query also. Let's see, if you are trying for double query, what are you getting? Double query based get version. See this, you are getting a version details. So now try lesson 6 now. Lesson 6. So lesson 6, I'll first fix this id equal to 1. I will identify there is a vulnerability or not. Yes, there is a vulnerability and they are using double quote now in this case. So I'll balance for double quote minus minus plus. I will follow the same path. What? Order by 5. So 5 is not there, I'll try order by 4. 4 is not, I'll try order by 3. 3 is there. Now I'll try union based. Union all select select 1 comma 2 comma 3. I'll give minus there because I have to make this value negligible, but you are not getting anything. In this case there may be error based or double query based. So I'll use this hack bar. There's error double query, error based. Let's do get version. See, so you're getting a version details. So you can also try double query, whatever you want, either error or either double query. So double query based get version. So see this. So we are getting this. Okay, now let's try lesson 8 now. So I will do lesson 8 on different chapters, maybe. Yes, okay, no problem.